beautiful souls. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we blend beauty science with honest, real-world insights so you can make the best choices for your hair, skin, and overall glow. Today, we're exploring a tool that promises effortless, salon-quality curls right at home, the Chai Spin Curl in Rose Gold. This curling iron claims to create shiny, bouncy waves with minimal heat damage thanks to preset temperature settings tailored to your hair type. Let's see how it actually performs. Right out of the box, the Chai Spin Curl has a sleek, modern design. The rose gold finish is stunning, and it feels surprisingly lightweight while still sturdy. The curling mechanism is unique. It automatically draws your hair into the ceramic titanium-infused chamber, heats it, and times the curl for you. This isn't just a gimmick. The ceramic titanium combo ensures even heat distribution, which is essential for reducing breakage and achieving glossy curls. There's a digital temperature display that offers multiple presets depending on whether your hair is fine, medium, or thick, which I appreciate because it takes the guesswork out of protecting your strands. Using it was quite an experience. I sectioned my hair into roughly 4 to 1 inch strands as recommended. The first time, I admit I was a bit nervous about tangling, but the device's design makes it relatively easy to guide the hair in without snags. Once in the chamber, the beeps signal exactly when the curl is ready. No overcooking or awkward timing. The curls themselves came out surprisingly uniform and soft, not stiff or plasticky like some traditional curling irons. I tried it on damp, towel-dried hair, and again on fully dry hair. Both yielded good results, though starting on dry hair gave a more polished finish. Pros? The Chai Spin & Curl definitely delivers smooth, frizz-free curls that hold well throughout the day. I love the preset temperatures. It's a small detail, but it really helps prevent unnecessary heat stress on the hair. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable for extended use, and the rose gold aesthetic is just gorgeous for your styling station. On the flip side, it does take a bit of practice to get consistent curls on the first try. If you have very long or very thick hair, you'll need patience to section your hair carefully and avoid tangles. It's also on the pricier side compared to standard curling irons, so budget-conscious shoppers might hesitate. In terms of value, I think it's worth it if you frequently style your hair and care about maintaining its health. The technology, the titanium ceramic chamber, and the precise temperature controls make it more than just a standard curling iron. It's an investment in your hair's longevity and style quality. Compared to other high-end curlers on the market, Chai Spin & Curl stands out for its automated curling mechanism and protective heat technology. If you're someone who struggles with even curls or worries about damage, it's definitely a contender. The build quality is solid, from the chamber to the swivel cord. I've been using it for a couple of weeks, and there's no sign of wear or heat degradation. Chai has a solid reputation for customer service, cruelty-free formulations, and hair care expertise, so you can feel confident about your purchase. For alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget, you might explore traditional ceramic or tourmaline curling irons, but keep in mind they require more manual effort and attention to heat settings. If you're looking for convenience and consistent results, the Spin & Curl justifies its price tag. In summary, the Chai Spin & Curl delivers on its promises. It creates glossy, uniform curls while minimizing heat damage thanks to its clever technology and thoughtful design. It's best suited for anyone who wants consistent salon-style results at home and is willing to invest in a quality tool. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried the Chai Spin Curl, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for your hair type. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.